Make sure you get right close and then just... So as you can see, the date is Thursday, June 13th, 7:30 p.m. I spoke to Walmart today and they decided they did not want to help me. So I decided not to open the boxes there. As you can see, both the same boxes, completely sealed. Everything's okay. Open that up and see what we have inside. And there's a space card with a magnetic strip on it. Interesting. And they're just regular. Should be able to go. Still recording? Yeah, so the main focus of that was just to see that that came from the inside of a completely sealed pack, which this one, same thing, has none. Just to show, completely sealed, and just regular victory cards, nothing special as usual. So now to the box. We have this completely sealed, still has the Upper Deck logo intact on the plastic. This one does not. I'm going to start with this one, as it is the main focus. You can see poor seams. It even feels a lot thinner and cheaper than the regular Upper Deck ones do. You see the tin's pretty dented in, the card's kind of all warped and wonky. Looks like it's been peeled off before. Inside, cards all up here in there. Got the Winter Classic. Oh, look how it's packaged. This side has significantly less packs than this side. Usually they're equally balanced. You would see something more along the lines of something like that. So we'll pull the packs out. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 12 packs, like the box says on the outside, 8 cards per pack. Appear to be sealed. Appear to be sealed. Let's see and make sure they all have the correct amount of cards in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you look at the pack, at the bottom, 8 cards per pack. So my suspicions were correct so far. First pack had 7 cards. I'm going to put those back in that package so I can maintain order to see which ones. Appears to be sealed. Appears to be sealed. Appears sealed. Nowadays, if they can make a copy of your exact credit card, I'm sure somebody can reseal a package of hockey cards. Here we go. This one looks like it may have. Nope, this one's going to have 7 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this one does have 8. All base, of course, which is what I'm assuming is going to happen with this entire box. Another appears to be completely sealed. A little bit sticky there. I'll put this one in a different pile. That's 8 cards, this is 7 cards. And we'll see how many is in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and look at that, another 7 cards in that pack. Two packs with 7 so far, 1 pack with 8 out of 3 packs. Another appears completely sealed. So far, 0 hits of any inserts, of course. This one might feel like another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it felt a little bit thicker, but of course, all base cards. Another appears completely sealed. Let's see what's inside. Come on. Oh. This one feels thinner. It's probably another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Checklist. That's our insert for this pack. So, out of 5 packs, 3 with 7, 2 with 8. Another one completely sealed. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 packs of 7, 2 packs with 8. No base, or all base, no inserts. Another completely, appears to be completely sealed, never been opened, straight from Upper Deck, of course. Not likely. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coincidence that we have not hit a single insert yet. We've got 5 packs of 7, 2 packs of 8 so far. Another one appears completely sealed. Oh, look at that. This one seems to have popped open a little bit at the top. Before I even got to pull on it, all I did was pull this aside, and next thing you know, look at... interesting. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And would you look at that? 7 cards. What do we think now? Another one appears completely sealed. This one stands shut. Still no insert cards, all base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this pack. 3 packs with 8 so far. Move that to the big gun pile. Another one, this appears completely sealed. Let's find out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yet another all base 7 card pack. Thank you, Upper Deck. Another completely sealed. Crack it open. See what we got. Oh, a checklist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 7 card pack. All base. except a big checklist hit. Oh, this one seems a little bit loose at the top. As you can see, very little effort to peel that open. Anybody that knows upper deck packs knows that usually they're pretty difficult compared to some of the other brands to open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last package of the box had 8 cards. So I'll put that in this pile. So here's our 4 packages that contained 8 cards. Here is our 8 packages that contain 7 cards. Out of 12 packages, there was 0 insert cards and 2 checklists. That's about it, if you want to consider a checklist a hit. Says 8 cards per pack, and if you read the back, there's supposedly a UD canvas 1 in 6 cards, and there should have been a Young Gun 1 in every 6 packs, and there should be a Young Guns 1 in every 4 packs. And then the other ones go on a little bit higher. All World Team 1 in 12 packs. So you're not guaranteed to hit, but you would think if there's 8 packs all missing 1 card, that there's probably a few inserts in this box. So there you see it. 4 packages containing 8 cards, 8 packages containing 7 cards. Complete the box, the serial number, nothing special, it's all intact. So we'll put those aside, put them into my inventory for my debate. And now we have the 12-13 Series 1 box with the proper packaging on it. As you can see, the logo's moving around, so it's on the plastic on the exterior. All the seams are much better than the other box was. You can see the cardboard is down along the bottom, like usual. And get it open. You can see upper deck, all on the plastic, proper, like it should be. Set that aside. It's in much better shape than the other one. You can see this one's kind of wonky, like it's been peeled off and put back on a couple times. This one's all nice and square, good shape. Winter Classic card as usual. These cards are shifted a little bit, but other than that, these ones appear a lot more fresh too when you look at the wrap. They weren't quite as haggard looking as the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. All packs accounted for. Box appears to be in fine shape. Serial number on the bottom. Everything seems alright. Okay, now let's see if we have any hits of inserts and see how many cards are missing from these packages. If I'm a betting man, I'm going to say absolutely 0 cards are missing, and that everything is intact. I'll probably hit a couple Young Guns inserts, maybe some of the other ones. Everything appears fine with this pack, intact. So let's get it open. See? Much harder to open this one. Get started compared to the other one. And I'm not a pro at opening packs, as you can see, so the ones that are more difficult to open I kind of shred, but those other ones, they all open perfectly. So it's supposed to be 8 cards per pack in this deck as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you noticed, 1, 2, 3, fourth card in is a Josh George's Upper Deck Canvas card, which is an insert. So, first pack, all cards accounted for, includes an insert card. And the canvas cards are 1 in every 6 packs. So we're 1 for 1 with a brand new sealed package from Upper Deck. Coincidence? You tell me. This one looks to have a jersey card somewhere in the middle. You can tell by the thickness. In which case, that card accounts for multiples. So in packs where you've got a jersey card that you can see in the middle there is thicker, you can expect there to be less than 8 cards per pack because they're keeping the packs the same thickness roughly, so people can't search the packs when they're in store shelves. So we're going to find out which one it is here in a second. We got 1 card, 2 card. It's a game jersey of Jeff Carter, which is another insert card. 2 packs, 2 inserts. Clearly this box hasn't been searched, or else a game used jersey card such as Jeff Carter, the LA Kings that just won the Stanley. As you can see, the date still the same. Sorry, the card ran out of memory. Had to delete another video. So you can see, we'll pick up where we left off. I apologize. So we're still in that same pack. Sagan, Hossa, Jeff Carter jersey. So a total of 6 cards in this pack to make up for the width of that second thick card. Put that aside. Completely sealed. Appears to be another 8 cards in this pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 packs, 3 inserts, Henrik Zetterberg, silver skates. All 8 cards accounted for. It goes to show when you buy a completely sealed one with the proper Upper Deck logo on it, nobody's dipped their fingers into it yet. Another pack, seems completely sealed. Everything's good. Try this again. Let's see. Go 4 for 4 on packs with 8 cards and inserts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards. 4th insert, Young Guns. 4 packs, 4 inserts. Starting to think this isn't a coincidence. Another one, completely sealed. Appears to be a thickness of about 8 cards. 1, 2, 3. Another base, or another hit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards. All accounted for. 5 packs, 5 inserts. Completely sealed. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 cards. Another insert. 6 packs, 6 inserts. I doubt it's just because it's a lucky box. Probably has a lot to do with the fact that the cards have not been searched and resealed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another insert. Torrey Krug, Young Gun rookie. Doing pretty good in the playoffs for Boston. That card's worth quite a bit of money at this time, I think, on eBay. But, yet again, all 8 cards accounted for. 7 packs, 7 inserts. Completely sealed looking. Poor opening job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards, first base pack. Pack number 8. First one without a hit. 3 packs remaining. Here's completely sealed. Looks about the thickness of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper Deck Canvas, Claude Giroux. That's another hit card. Insert. That was card number 5, 6, 7, 8. Another pack with a hit. That's 9 packages with hits. Second last pack. Here's completely sealed. As you can see, I'm shredding it because I'm not the greatest at opening. Appears to be all 8 cards, nice and thick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shea Genoway Young Gun rookie. That's number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Young Gun rookies, another insert, another hit. It's a pretty good box for hits. Oops. Sorry, I lied, there was another package left. Appears to be completely sealed. Poor opening job. One, 2, 3, 4. Bobby Orr, 1970s Hockey Heroes. Another insert card. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's completely sealed. Last pack. Appears to be about as thick as 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No hits in the last pack. All base cards. So, out of 12 packages, we have 2 that were all base. Every single package contained all 8 cards. This is the amount of packages that had hits, which are aka insert cards, where the other box had 0. This is the amount of inserts, this is the amount of base packs. Lucky box, I think not. I think it has a lot to do with the packaging on the exterior. Goes to show that the packages were tampered with. Somebody bought them, returned them, took all the good cards out, they were resealed, put back on the shelf. So as you can see, camera shut off again because I ran out of space on the card. But just going to finish off with talking that these ones had this many hits, 2 base, this entire box, all base. Seems like that's the one that was open, so it just goes to show if you're going to buy cards from big box stores, ensure that it has the Upper Deck logo on the packaging, or else you're going to be suckered. Alright, thank you very much, and I will keep everyone posted on what happens with the results of my ongoing fight with Walmart and Upper Deck regarding this issue.